knew it. I fucking knew it. It's so bad over here. Oh my god. Brake is cooked. I need to deal with that. And one of the straight. Oh my god. Oh yeah, that was sick. with that little bit of compression. Oh, I would have came right back. Gotta stay out of the way of people, especially if we're on a road, even if it's a surface road. Oh my god, it swirled by! It was up, it kind of went this way, and then it went that way, on the way down. It's just my front brake is weirdly stiff right now, and I thought I fixed it because I undid the bolt for a second, let it breathe, and it was alright, but it got stiff again, so I don't know. Like, it is so stiff. Like, look at that travel. It like gets stiff right here, right there, like, and all of it's stiff. Oh, I feel good. That's when it came up. I'm getting hot. Yeah, much more comfortable though. I think I was dragging in the brake there, I'll be honest. Which is not good because I'll get brake fade if I make that a habit. My left leg just doesn't know what to, I don't know what to do with it. It's kind of like dangles like that, and I can't keep it on the ground. I think it's dragging. Like, oh. Yeah, look at this. I was messing with it before because I noticed it was sort of like close. I don't know if you can really see it from here, but my pads look like they're dragging, you know? Oh my god, it locked. Fuck off. My front brake is fucked right now, bro. That was better. Yeah, I was so off. Oh my god. I guess I haven't practiced those enough. That's why. My instinct was to press the foot brake though, so we're good. Is making it squirrel. That was good. I didn't blow a fork, did I? Nope. Oh shit! Oh.
Boy, turn around and keep playing.
Yeah, we're good. I got it on camera. What the fuck did I just break? Oh, my puck. Oh my god. Oh. That was so shit. Come on. Broke the fucking. Where did the other part of the puck go? Shit. There we go. Oh, okay. Oh my god! Bro, this shit's not supposed to bend! What the fuck? Yeah, it's okay. I'll blur out every. Yeah, no worries. No worries. Yes, of course.
I know you can, but
Yeah. Of course.
thank you, sir.
Yeah. Oh my god. So glad they didn't land on my leg. I'm back in the garage, and you may immediately notice something because just getting back from my ride, right? Doing wheelies, getting actually real comfortable getting up and in balance point and just kind of bouncing there. And I decided to start doing some stoppies because I had the space. So I did one, got a little bit up, and then I think the second one I did, I hit a little too much. Again, my brakes all messed up, as you very well know. So I don't quite remember how much I grabbed, but I grabbed enough to flip the bike. Oh shit! Went over. That's the second time I've gone over in a stoppie, and landed immediately on my foot peg. Luckily the bike didn't land directly on me. I was kind of under it, but it didn't hit me, which is lucky. But the foot peg took basically all the impact, and as you can see, we're missing a puck now. The puck cracked in half, like, upon impact, because it landed like immediately on its corner. So it cracked, and as you can see, the foot peg is also kind of bent. So we're gonna have to see about possibly straightening this out. I don't know. I might just hit it with a hammer and see if that does it, because you can also tell my shifter's a little loose too. But yeah, I think I just hit it with a hammer and kind of go from there, because it's got a slot that it kind of fits into that's not really in anymore. Not totally. So yeah, that was my lot day. Very eventful. I mean, I enjoyed it. It was good. I actually got good progress, very good progress. I was able to, I'm mostly surprised with myself because I was actually able to keep it up there and just keep bouncing it. Yeah, it's really fun actually. Yeah, it was fun. I had a good time. Here's the pucks, or the puck I should say. You can see the impact point of where it hit, like right there. That corner is where it hit and gave out. I honestly didn't think these would just like break like this. I thought they were meant to survive, but I guess, you know, the full weight of this bike landing directly on top of it created a stress fracture, and then it just kind of exploded. So yeah, I don't know if I can just get another one of these for free, because maybe, I don't know if they're rated for that kind of thing, or if they're, you know, or what, but I don't think they're that expensive if I have to just buy another one. So yeah, we'll see. But anyways, that was that was my lot day. It was very eventful, very good. I had fun. That's all that matters. Anyways, appreciate y'all for hanging out, and as always, I'm done.